In this project, we use the following components: Arduino Uno, LDR module, relay module, DC motor, jumper wire, USB power cable, and external battery for motor. Now we start building the circuit. Connect LDR sensor VCC to 5V. Connect GND to GND and another side of A0 to A0. These create a voltage divider circuit for light detection. Now connect the relay module. Relay VCC to 5V. Relay GND to GND. Relay input pin to pin 5. The relay will control the DC motor safely. Now open Arduino IDE, write the logic, read light intensity from the LDR. If light intensity increases, turn on relay motor. If light intensity decreases, turn off relay and motor. This creates an automatic fan control system. Now connect the Arduino to the computer using a USB cable. Then select Arduino Uno, correct COM and port, then click upload the code into Arduino. Once the code is uploaded, your program is ready to. Now the system is ready. When light falls on the LDR, Arduino detects the light intensity. Relay turns on, DC motors start rotating like a fan. When it becomes dark, relay turn off, motor stops automatically. This project is used in smart home automation, automatic cooling systems, light-based automation, beginner Arduino projects. It is a useful project for understanding sensors, relay, and motor control systems. Thank you and happy learning.